Okay, now I'm at the bootloader that everyone knows. So yeah, I will post in the description where to get this file, and I guess if you just know what you're doing and you want to upgrade straight to 4.2, I'll post all the other links to that you would need. But I'm not going to spend time. Please do not ask comments of how to update to 4.1.9. Just go straight to my part 4 video, or 4-part video, because that just gets frustrating and annoying to me. Going back and telling one how to do everything and have the tutorial out. And there we go. That's 4.2.